Hello, class 4 science. In last class we discussed cares of cloth, synthetic fiber, natural fibers, washing, ironing, drying, storaging. Now I will give you the exercise questions. Question number 6. Why do we carry an umbrella in the rainy season? Why we carry it? You already seen in road when rainy season was happen, then all peoples are using umbrella. Why they are using umbrella? Because answer is, in the rainy season we use umbrellas. Umbrella protect us from rain. Yes, umbrella protect us from rain. Cloths of umbrella made of materials that does not absorb water. So umbrella, whatever cloths used in umbrella, that cloths are very soft and that cloths are not absorbed water. So by this way umbrella protect us from rain. Otherwise, if not umbrella was used, then rain will directly connect with our body. So that's why umbrella in rainy season is very important. Number 7. How do we get natural fibers? We get natural fibers. Answer is we get natural fibers from plants and animals. Examples like cotton, linen are such types of plants, and wood and wool, silk fibers are such types of fibers that we get from animal. Okay, number 8. What is the difference between natural fibers and synthetic fibers? There are 3 differences between natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Number 1. Natural fibers obtained from plants and animals, but synthetic fibers not obtained from plants and animals. It is made by chemicals. So natural fibers is found on nature, but synthetic fibers are man-made. It is made by chemical in factories and companies. So natural fibers are natural, but synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. Number B. Synthetic fibers are more long-lasting fibers than natural fibers. And number C. Natural fibers are easily wrinkled, but synthetic fibers do not wrinkle easily. Number 7. How should we store our clothes? We stored our clothes in almirahs, drawer, Godrej, etc. So why we store our clothes? Because of why? If we do not store our clothes in protected place, then our clothes will cover by germs, and that germs will harm our body. And for long lasting our clothes, we have to store them in safe place. So answer is, to protect our clothes from insects, we should keep naphthalene balls or dry neem leaves in the almirah or suitcase while storing silk and woolen clothes. See, if you not stored your clothes in almirah or drawers, then rats also cut your clothes. So that's why we have to store our clothes in safe place. Number B. Dried and ironed clothes should fold or put on hangers and keep in wardrobes. Number 10. How would we wash and iron silk and woolen clothes? Answer. Silk and woolen clothes can be washed at home with a milk detergent. These clothes can be cleaned with petrol instead of water? Answer is this. Number 11 question. Why do people wear uniform? Answer. People wear a uniform while going to their workplace. These people are identified by their uniform. See, if people wear uniform, then that uniform says identity. Students are wearing school uniform. That school uniform tells us you are going to the school, you are coming to the school, or you are in the school. Or doctors wearing white dress, because of why? If any people want to meet doctors, want to see who is doctors, then that dress will recognize easily to that peoples. That's why we used uniforms. Uniforms is an identity. Next, homework, page number 34. A. Tick right marks at correct answer. Tick right marks the correct answer. Number 8. During the summer season, we wear woolen clothes, cotton clothes, raincoat, all of these. Number 2. We get wool from cow, sheep, plant, hen. Number 3. Silkworms gives us silk threads, cotton fibers, jute fibers, none of these. Number 4. Jute fibers are used to make ropes and mats, t-shirts and skirts, raincoat, all of this. So these 4 you have to do in homework. So for today's your class is over. Thank you.